sorry if it's hard to catch my vibe. I need a lover to trust. Tell me you're on my side. Are you down for the ride? It's not easy for someone to catch my eye, but I've been waiting for you for my whole damn life, my whole lifetime.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Janey. If you are new, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow your girl on all social media. So today is finally the day where we change my background into looking Christmassy. Like, I cannot wait. I have been meaning to do this for days now. Clearly we're like a whole week plus into Vlogmas, and y'all are still getting my regular background, and you don't deserve that. So today we are going to be decorating. I have some stuff from Target, some stuff from Dollar Tree, I think some stuff from Five Below. If I can remember where everything comes from, like, I'll say it while I'm decorating. But I went to a few stores, so I'm not really sure where everything came from. But yeah, I can't wait. Let's start by moving everything out of the way. Okay, so now we have a completely clean area over here. Like, some of the stuff is on that side, but we'll move that back over when the time comes for it. So we are going to start with last year's tree, and let's see what we can do with it. But before we do that, I forgot I bought these two shelves from Five Below earlier this week, and I think I want to set them up here. I don't know if it's gonna have anything to do Christmassy, or maybe I'll put like candles up there or something. I'm not sure. Depends on how big these really are. Oh, they're not that big, but I could definitely do stuff with this. I can put like little Christmas stuff on here. But yeah, we have to set those up here. I just need to go get myself. Ooh, my neighbors are gonna be mad. It's like 4:08 a.m. They're gonna be pissed, but I'm definitely about to screw this shit in. Yeah, they're about to be tight. I feel bad because she has a kid, but she wakes me up every Sunday morning with like her gospel music at like 6 a.m. So I mean, I don't want to say payback, but okay. So first thing we're gonna try and do is put in these little splotches. I know y'all don't want to hear the banging, so I might do this and just get back to you guys. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll see y'all in a few. So an hour and a half later is how long it took for me to get these two shelves up, because New York City walls suck ass, and I was trying to like hammer them in lightly so I don't wake up all like of my neighbors. But yeah, we got these two up. Time for us to actually get our Christmas tree up. So our tree is up, and it is time for decorations. I'm trying to figure out if I want to decorate the tree first, or if I want to do like this part first. I think I'm gonna do the tree first, just to like get it out of the way. Yeah, let's do the tree first. Decorate tree time. Okay, so I have a bunch of ornaments. If you guys have watched my DIY ornaments, these are some of them that I made. These ones at the bottom. These ones are just like from Dollar Tree. So we're gonna add some of these. These ones are also from Dollar Tree. Ooh, I'm trying to unravel the string. Okay. These little gingerbread houses, or regular people houses, are from Dollar Tree as well. This one is another one of my DIY. This passport is from Target. And then I have my favorite ones that I got from Five Below. We have South Park. We got The Simpsons, Homer, Peter Griffin. Ah! False alarm, he didn't break, thank God. Peter, I know you were strong. So we have Peter Griffin from Family Guy, along with his terrible baby that I love, Stewie. And then I have like a bunch of random other ones from last year that I'm going to go through, and I'm going to see if they match like the theme I'm going for, and we'll see what happens. So our little makeshift Christmas tree has been decorated. I can't wait to get like a regular green or at least a flocked Christmas tree. I don't know what I was thinking like last year. I just really wanted something white, but now I'm not a fan of it. But either way, whatever. So I have these stockings, and they usually go up in the corner where you guys won't be able to see it. So I'm just gonna put those ones up first, but I just wanted to show you guys. There's a red plaid one. We have two red plaid ones, one for me, one for babe. This year I was trying to look to see if I could find ones with like our initials on it. They had a bunch of J's, but they had no G's for him, so I was like, ah, got it. That's not happening this year, I guess. So next I have like these little things that I think I got them from. They're like just little sayings that I got from, what's that place called again? Crap. From Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna stick one there. Probably stick the other one under here. Can it fit? Yes. And then we have warm wishes somewhere down here. I believe I'll put it. If it can fit on the stomach. If it can't, we gotta find a different one for it. Yep, I gotta get a different thumbtack. I'm so tired, guys. It is 6 a.m. Like, there's no reason I should be doing this at 6 a.m. Like, there's absolutely no reason. None whatsoever. I don't know what my problem is. Clearly, I have a problem. That's not even a question anymore. But I don't know what that problem is. And why I'm not sleeping like a regular human being would be at 6 a.m. Or at least I'm not now waking up like a regular human being would be doing at this point. But whatever. We have those. I got these cute little trees from Target. They were $1 a piece. So I'm gonna like create a little housing family-ish unit up here. Well, ooh. Since I already have like the robin there, I think I'm just gonna go with it like this. And then throw this robin up here too. Ooh, sis, can you fit? Oh, ooh, sis might not be able to fit. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these more over in our little forest, and then I can put two of y'all hoes on this side. I don't know how I feel about it yet, but then I had these little gnomes, but I have no idea where I put them. They're like little gnomey men, and I wanted them to be like right here. But I said I have no idea where I put them at all. So I have to go look for them. Cause where could I have possibly put them? Oh, haha. From Dollar Tree, we have these little gnomes and then this little fire pit. And I don't believe that this fire pit is very Christmassy, but for what it's worth, I like it. So hopefully these holes aren't too heavy and they don't break down my little shelf. But oh, I need something to put them on, because they look short and you can't like tell what they are from up there. What can I stuff underneath them to get them to look, oh, boom. Great. So I'm gonna use the tapes that I used for, what was that thing? For my, what was it called? Why am I going down? Well, because you're tired. Oh, for the ornaments. That's what it is. Boom, an ornament. Let's see if I can get all of this to fit at the bottom of it, just so I can put the gnomes and stuff on them. Because other than that, I feel like you don't see the gnomes, and then like, what's the point? So we got Nomi again, and then these. I don't think I'm gonna keep it as the tape, but for right now, that's just gonna have to work for me. So now we have to do half of the counter and bring back the stuff that's actually supposed to be over here. Like, my reindeer was supposed to go on one of these, but now he can't fit. So, not sure where Mr. Reindeer is gonna be going. But yeah, maybe I'll put him up here. No, because then he blocks like my naked woman. I love her. Okay. We'll figure him out in time. We will. So guys, this will be my new filming space. I still feel like I'm kind of jam-packed. So I'm gonna try and find spaces to put my makeup and my jewelry so that it can just be all Christmas over here. But for now, this is what we have to work with. I really do love these shelves. I feel like it adds like so much to my room. So after Christmas, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with it, but I love these two little shelves. But it is 6:25 in the morning. There's no reason I should be up. So if you guys have made it this far in the video and you guys are loving the Vlogmas content so far, please be sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one tomorrow. Bye!